How are you? I am fine. How are you? I am fine. Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready. Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready. When will he be back? He will be back in 20 minutes. When will he be back? He will be back in 20 minutes. What time does it start? It starts at 8 o'clock. What time does it start? It starts at 8 o'clock. What will the weather be like tomorrow? It's supposed to rain tomorrow. What will the weather be like tomorrow? It's supposed to rain tomorrow. Are you afraid? No, I'm not afraid. Are you afraid? No, I'm not afraid. Are you allergic to anything? Yes, I'm allergic to seafood. Are you allergic to anything? Yes, I'm allergic to seafood. Are you hungry? Yes, I'm hungry. Are you hungry? Yes, I'm hungry. Are you sick? Yes, I'm sick. Are you sick? Yes, I'm sick. Are you sure? No, I'm not sure. Are you sure? No, I'm not sure. Can you swim? Yes, I can swim. Can you swim? Yes, I can swim. Do you have a girlfriend? No, I don't have a girlfriend. Do you have a girlfriend? No, I don't have a girlfriend. Do you take credit card? Sorry, we only accept cash. Do you take credit card? Sorry, we only accept cash. Do you understand? Yes, I understand. Do you understand? Yes, I understand. How far is it? About 10 km. How far is it? About 10 km. How does it taste? It's delicious. How does it taste? It's delicious. How much money do you have? I don't have any money. How much money do you have? I don't have any money. Is it raining? Yes, it's raining. Is it raining? Yes, it's raining. What does he do? He is a farmer. What does he do? He is a farmer. What does this mean? That means friend. What does this mean? That means friend. What size? Size 8. What size? Size 8. Where is an ATM? Behind the bank. Where is an ATM? Behind the bank. Where's the pharmacy? It's near the supermarket. Where's the pharmacy? It's near the supermarket. Are you busy? Yes, I have a lot of things to do. Are you busy? Yes, I have a lot of things to do. Is it ready? Everything is ready. Is it ready? Everything is ready. What are you doing? I'm cleaning my room. What are you doing? I'm cleaning my room. Are you okay? Yes, I'm okay. Are you okay? Yes, I'm okay. So friends, this was today's topic. Thank you my dear friends. Thank you for watching this video. If you have benefited from my video, then give a like please. And I request all of you, please subscribe my channel. It's inspire me to make a new video. So friends, thank you again and have a nice day.